Alright guys, in today's episode it's all about cherry tomatoes. You might remember 3 weeks ago now, man had blessed 2 little store-bought cherry tomatoes. I then sliced them up into nice little slices using my Leatherman. We planted them in a couple of pots, and today's the day we're going to reveal whether or not they grew or died. Well, guess what guys, I've got great news for you. We've managed to grow every single one of those little seeds into perfect little seedlings, about 3 inches tall. From there, we've managed to move them from these 2 pots and then transfer some of them into this 3rd pot here. We're hoping that very soon we're going to have a little bit of space in the garden here behind me, or maybe over on this side, and we'll be able to plant those seedlings there for the rest of their lives. I'll take you on a little journey now of some of the seedlings we've got and how they're progressing. So you'll see here we've got the carrots. They're growing all nicely as well. We've got the blueberries starting to take off. Tomatoes in the background, perpetual spinach. With that perpetual spinach, I'm going to be doing a spinach patty recipe that you're all going to love out there in some upcoming videos. And just as a teaser, it's like rice done in a chicken stock with tomatoes, cheese melts, spinach, all encrusted in a Crummie's breadcrumb whole grain crust. Absolutely perfect. Kids love it, you're going to love it. So make sure you subscribe, click the like button, hit the notification so you don't miss it coming up. Over here we've got the lettuces performing well. Broccoli's off to a great start. Not producing much though on this one. I think he just wants to be the biggest and the baddest plant in the greenhouse. And as you can see here, this broccoli plant has decided it wants to bolt. So guys, thanks for tuning in for another video here in the greenhouse. We love and appreciate all your support, your likes, comments, and all you subscribers out there that have been with us from day one, and the new subscribers coming along to the channel. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.